Welcome back to another video. Today we have the SUNGLIFE CR91001 150 watt power inverter. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials and deals. Yeah, SUNGLIFE did send this to me. They are not paying me for this review or anything, so I will tell you guys what I think about it. If it sucks, I will tell you and let you know. If it doesn't, then I'll let you know, because I'm not getting paid by them, but they did send me this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It says SUNGLIFE car power inverter, USB charging adapter, US new, made in China. It says SUNGLIFE, and then we got a circle here with the 12 volt car adapter, cigarette lighter adapter. We got two regular plugs here, on and off button, and we got three different USB types. Nothing on the back. Alright, let's unbox this. Let's see how this is. Pretty much this is what comes in the box, as you guys see there. And then we do have some instructions. Guess that's all we have in the box. Basic instructions: car powered inverter. The charging, which is the USB ports, that's where it matters. It's a 2.4 amp, so that's pretty fast. And then we have a 3.0 amp, even faster. A QC, which is a quicker charge. According to what it says there. So we're gonna see how fast this is. We're gonna put my phone to charge and see how fast it's gonna charge. Alright, and then we have the unit itself. It does come with a little bag in it, so I guess so it doesn't get scratched. This is the unit, pretty much about 5 inches as in round, and then we have about 2 inches, or I would say 1 3/4 inches, as in width or height, whatever you want to call it. And then we got the wire here. I'll say about 3 feet or so. So about 3 feet on the wire. Seems pretty good quality. Nothing that's gonna break. The wire seems to be pretty decent. Alright, plastic seems to be pretty decent, pretty good. There's nothing bad with it, from what I can see, as machine wise or anything. We do have some holes there, so breathing, so the inverter breathes. Let's see what we got, an on and off button here. Oh, here's the QC, the quick charge 3.0 amp, and then we have a 2.4 amp, and then we have a 2.4 amp. So 2.4 amps and one 3.0 amps. Then we got 2 electric plugs, and then we have another cigarette adapter, or cigarette extension adapter. So when you plug this in, it doesn't completely leave you useless of not plugging another one in. So it's a good thing they included this. It does have some sort of rubber cap there. Then on the bottom we got some screws. Obviously we're not going to take it apart, but yeah, we'll go ahead and try this out at the vehicle, see how this works. Alright guys, we're here at the vehicle. We're going to put this into the charger, see how this works. Alright, we plugged it in. Seems like it didn't turn on. That's the way it turns on. You can hear something like a fan or something that turned on. Yep. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and plug my phone in. I'm gonna plug it into the fast charger. We're gonna plug it into 3.0. This is 92%. So we'll see how fast. It says fast charging. So if you got a newer device, well, this is not really a new, but you know, this does have the fast charging capability. Says here fast charging. You guys see there? I don't know if you can see it. Not bad. It says fast charging. So if you guys got a newer device, it's at 92% right now. We'll see if it goes up in just a few minutes. So it'll let us know if it's a fast charger. So like I said, if you got a fast device, an Apple, an iPhone, a recently iPhone or Android device that supports fast charging, this device is going to help you, especially at the 3. Right here at the 3.0. Alright, here I got a battery. It's a Milwaukee battery and a charger. We're gonna plug it in, see how this works. Alright, so see if this blows up or not. Just kidding, probably won't blow up. Seems like pretty decent quality. So right here we don't have no lights, obviously, because we don't have a battery in there. Let me see. Battery, okay. Let's put the battery in. We have 3 out of 4 bars. So let's put this battery in there. And it looks like it's charging. I could barely hear something inside. And now we have 5 bars according to this. So just working fine. I guess it's charging. It says here solid red is charging, and then green is 100% already charged. So we're gonna see if it goes to the green. Now we're gonna check on this. It says fast charging 95%. And like I said, I haven't cut this video or anything. Meanwhile, we just charged that. It's already at 95%. So this thing is a fast charger at the 3.0 quick charge, or QC, whatever you want to call it. On this, it probably just depends on the device you're going to plug in. So this is perfect if you're going to be working out in the field and you want to charge a couple batteries with the 2 different chargers. Maybe one at a time, because I don't think this might be able to handle. I gotta look at the instructions of this, see if it'll handle 2. But my guess is probably 1 is enough. You could probably charge a phone at the same time. It'd be fine, because this doesn't really take a lot of electricity. But this is fine if you want to charge, you know, like a drill battery or a mower battery, whatever you want to charge. A bigger battery there, a power bank. You can probably use this to charge it if you're working out there in the field, or if you're, you know, pretty much a mechanic or something. You just want to charge it at your vehicle, or a mobile mechanic. Me personally, I would use. I'm gonna end up using this because I do pest control, and one of my sprayers is a battery operated sprayer, and I need to charge my battery through something like this. So I will be using this in my work truck to charge my batteries. That way, if I forget to charge them at home, or if I don't forget to take them, I already have them in the vehicle, and I'll just charge them on my way to the job. Yeah, it's working. It's not overheating or anything. Looks like it's working fine. I don't see it getting overheated. And the wire is might be getting warm, but no, not really. It's pretty good. Oh, and this is the way you turn it off and on. You see there, it does light blue here. You turn it off. You turn it back on. You guys did see it at the phone when I turned it off. And then the battery is charged already on this. As you guys see, it's already green. Stop charging. So yeah, it works pretty good. Like I said, it didn't get overheated. I ran it for a few minutes. It's fine. We're going to be using this for work. And we'll see how it works. And we'll let you guys know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell for more Turbulence to deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one.